The price of luxury is stirring again. Holiday season, generally slow time in New York real estate market, is humming along, with even multi-million-dollar apartments being snapped up in short order. Bidding wars are common as mortgage rates remain low, and there is seemingly no end in. Read more. Working with a classic frame of reference. Classic aviator sunglasses are still in style after 70 years and are available in daunting array of shapes, sizes, colors and materials. Photos. Read more. The assets of the ultra-rich come closer to earth. That real estate, art and luxury cars do not command the prices of 2015 may say something about the fortunes of those at the top of the wealth scale. Read more. Ozwald Boateng Jazzy Givenchy. When Ozwald Boateng was tapped to design Givenchy menswear, the 37-year-old British designer was faced with a delicate task: update the image of a classic French house that had never put its definitive stamp on a men's line. Yet in the persona of. Read more. The Get Hermes' Sac Bijou Nausicaa bag. The luxury brand's most beloved handbags, now available in jewel-laden, bite-sized portions. Read more.